HAGS was founded in Sweden in 1948 when playgrounds looked a bit like this. They wanted to make the best outdoor play equipment for children like me. So they started working with the best designers and invented some really cool stuff, like Uniplay, the first modular system, a smaller version called Uni-Mini for my little brother, and Agito, which is climbing walls, slides, balance bars, and climbing nets. Today, HAGS is a global brand and an important part of the Play Power group. But they still want to create the best fun for all of us, which is why they've built a huge new factory in Sosnowiec, Poland. It only took them 7 months, and now there are over 150 people working on a site that measures 66,639 square meters. That's big! Of course, being grown-ups, they want to keep us safe, which is why they have lots of quality and safety procedures in place. As well as being a certified company according to ISO 9001, all of HAG's play equipment, fitness products for all adults and multi-use games areas have been adapted to meet the European safety standards. The German Technischer Überwachungsverein, or TÜV for short, has the most extensive and advanced testing and approval procedures in the world. HAGS meets these standards, which means my mum knows I'm always safe when I play on their equipment. They make sure all of their products won't harm the environment too. HAGS has a computerized wood cutting machine that reduces waste and saves 100 pine and birch trees every year. And they've switched to solvent-free powder coating finishing to reduce the impact of steel production on the environment. That's why they can offer market-leading guarantees on the materials they use. When HAGS products have passed safety tests and quality control, they're ready to be distributed to 73 countries all over the world. HAG's new factory in Poland can produce more play equipment to higher standards than ever before, which means more fun, excitement, adventure, and play for all generations. HAGS, inspiring all generations.